Hi guys, and welcome back to next unboxing video from Mini Bike Store video blog. In today's video I'm gonna be unboxing and I will show you step by step how to properly assemble the Tribo 1060W 36V electric pocket bike from Nitro Motors. So let's open the box and see what is inside. So here it is how the bike looks like inside the cardboard box. Just here on the top we have the box with parts. The bike is fully wrapped with the foil to secure it for transport. So let's remove the bike from the box now. So here it is how the Tribo electric pocket bike looks like outside the cardboard box. There are 4 colors available. You can choose from green, blue, red, or this one here, it's orange. So with the bike you will receive the box with the parts. So let's open the box and see what we get with the bike. So with the bike you will receive the charger for the battery, the bag with fuses, toolkit, and the user manuals in English language. As you can see, the pocket bike in 99% is pre-assembled from the box, so it's not much work you have to do to get it running. You just have to adjust the handlebars, adjust the brake levers. So I will show you now step by step what you need to do to get the bike running. So pull the handlebars just a little bit so they open. Remove the foil from the handlebars. And from the second one. As you can see, the keys are attached just here, so this attach the keys. With the bike you will receive 2 sets of keys. One we have for the main ignition and 1 keys for the speed restrictor. Now you need to open the handlebars, one side and the other side. Twist the brake levers into position. Same on the other side. Once you have the handlebars and the brake levers in proper position, just like this, you need to tighten this bolt here and the one here. And the same on the other side. So now we can test the bike. The first step is to insert the fuse into the fuse box. In the back, just here you will find the fuses. Take one fuse and insert into the fuse box. It may spark, so don't worry about it. Close the fuse box and hide it behind the frame. Next, insert the key into ignition and turn it to on. You will get the lights here. And now we can test the bike. So as you could see, there is not much work you have to do to get it running. You just have to regulate the handlebars here. We highly recommend that you also check the brakes, regulate the brakes, check the air pressure in the wheels, check the chain, make sure it's properly adjusted. Before you use the bike for the first time, you need to plug in a charger and fully charge the batteries. This is very important, so don't go straight away on the bike and test it. Just plug in a charger and wait till the light on the charger will get green, then you can use the bike. If you like the Tribo 1060W electric pocket bike, you can purchase it from our website. The link to our shop is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Soon we will test this bike. We will also compare the electric Tribo with the petrol version. So stay tuned, subscribe, and see you in the next video.